Welcome. In front of me is a RUGGEAR RG655, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, and once you see the boot options, simply hold power off. This will bring up this window right here, so reboot into safe mode, and all we need to do is confirm by tapping on OK and waiting for the device to reboot. Now, once it actually boots into safe mode, we should see a little watermark right here, basically indicating that we are in the desired mode. And in this mode, I will warn you, only the pre-installed or pre-existing apps will work. Anything that you have downloaded from App Store will be disabled from starting up. And I believe also you won't be able to open it up at all. So just keep that in mind. Now, this mode is particularly used for testing. If you have some kind of problem with your device, put it into safe mode and you will basically have an answer if problem that you're experiencing is based on some kind of app that you have installed, as an example software based, or is it hardware based. So yeah, now as you can see, there's the safe mode watermark, and yeah, we're now in the desired mode. Now quickly going over it, once you're done with this, all you need to do is simply hold the power key once more and tap on restart, which once it reboots, it will be back in normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.